Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I'm going to be showing you a tool you can use in tandem with Easel for generating STL files of terrain, and then you can bring it into Easel and carve that. And I just wanted to highlight this because it's a tool I use. I think it's really interesting, but also it's a really quick way to get a free 3D STL file of like a terrain on the United States all over the world. And so I'm going to use it here to pick up the terrain around Lake Tahoe in California. And so what I'm going to do is this red box is the box where my STL file is going to be generated. And I can click on it and drag it around if I need to. Basically, when you start or when you load into the project, you can click on Center View, and that'll show you your red box, and then you can adjust the red box as needed. You can adjust the width and the height here with these box widths and box heights, and you can just click on them and use your arrow keys to adjust them, or you can just drag them, and that'll allow you to pick up the STL file. And when you're ready, you can just click on Generate Model. It'll generate the model, and then it'll download it. And you can download it, and then you'll have that 3D STL file. It will be in a zip folder, so I'll show that really quick. It's right here. So you'll want to unzip that, and that'll give you your STL file. Then you can go to Easel and upload your STL file. And I'll pick that one right there. I'll click on Open, and it'll bring my STL file into Easel. And that's just a really easy kind of way to pick up like terrain maps of places you're interested in, or things that you think are really cool, and then you can bring them into Easel and carve them, and it's a really great tool. I'll link that tool below. You may need to adjust the file in Easel slightly, maybe adjust the size just to fit any kind of material you have, but certainly that's a really easy way to pick up 3D terrain maps. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.